drawing a Christmas pudding, we're going to start with the plate. We're going to make this really easy. So we're going to draw the plate or the bowl from the side like that. And then we want to imagine a circle coming around like that. And that's going to want to come around like that. And I'll just make that a bit more solid. And then we want to have creamy stuff, icing, sugar, custard on the top. And we're going to have big circles on the top. So these are going to be like cherries. This is, it's usually holly and holly berries, but this is made out of cherries, so they're a lot bigger and juicier, and you can eat them too. So, and then we'll have a couple of leaves like that, and they'll go like that, up, and like that, and maybe have a few little bits like that in there. And then we can finish the cream topping like that, and then we're just going to need to put in lots of fruit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start around the outside and put lots of little half bits of fruit like that. So that looks like, helps to make it look like it's going around in a circle. And I put some half bits there. And then we'll kind of, not entirely randomly, but we'll put the big bits in first. And half bits sort of coming under the cream there. That helps to give it that kind of authentic look. And then we can start putting smaller bits in between like that. And then all you need to do is colour it in. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy, so you can come back and do lots more drawing. Bye.